Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the RPA for Finance in Manufacturing webinar. So there are a lot of trends happening around the world that have shifted the focus and dynamics of the accounting profession. And according to research by McKinsey, a great number of CFOs have decided to increase their investment in technology due to COVID-19. And for years, organizations have been trying to find financial improvements that attempt to eliminate repetitive manual actions. And unfortunately, in the past, what they discovered is that even though they were implementing all of these improvements, they weren't able to deal with some of the core problems that existed in finance and in the accounting world. One of them at the time was how to get the data into the systems, and the second was how to close their financials at the end of the month.
Thank you, Nastasia. I have the privilege on a daily basis to help our customers really identify opportunities to optimize their business. And today I'm going to talk a bit about how do we transform finance in the manufacturing space by using automation to drive out value.
Whenever you talk to the accounts department, they say, where do we start? They say, let's start with AP. It's such a simple process. It's going to be quick. 2 weeks, we're done. AP is not simple. The quality of the invoices that you receive from the vendors cause a lot of problems. Then date formats are different. You won't believe how many different date formats there are. Garbage inside the invoice fields. People will put units of measure in there. They'll put Rand R symbols in there. Incompatible file formats. People will send you the invoices in TIFF formats or in Excel spreadsheets. Quality of the scans. And sometimes the invoices were just so bad that we had to contact the vendors directly. We did pick up some change management issues with our accounting staff. And of course, we had some challenges between the finance and the stores. Quite often they either don't do it or they do it incorrectly or they do it too late. And that whole process had to be sorted out internally as well.